Welcome to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature CHICKTASTIC Bistro, franchise business ideas. Amidst the 2020 global health pandemic, CHICKTASTIC Bistro were launched to the market by CHICKTASTIC Group, a Filipino-owned company that offers business opportunity food concepts which is very affordable to the masses. CHICKTASTIC Bistro offering affordable unlimited chicken wings in different flavors and variety food such as fries, mojos, nacho, bagnet meals, milk tea, and more. In 2021, CHICKTASTIC Bistro was awarded by People's Choice Global and Seal of Excellence as Best Unlimited Flavored Chicken Wings Franchise and another award from Q Asia's Quality Excellence Award as Best Quality Unlimited Wings Restaurant. In the middle of 2022, CHICKTASTIC Bistro was known and awarded by Asia's Golden Icon Award as Premium Quality Provider of Chicken Only Wings Restaurant of the Year. They are determined to continue their high level of customer service, their steadfast professionalism, excellent quality, and food safety policies and product development. Today, they continue to expand their high-quality pangkabuhayan business here in the metro and provinces. CHICKTASTIC Bistro products: unlimited wings, combo meals, value meals, and family meals. They offer the following flavors: cream cheese, New York buffalo, Japanese teriyaki, super buffalo, classic buffalo, garlic parmesan, Korean flavor, hickory, chili garlic, spicy salted egg, mango habanero, soy garlic, lemon glaze, and spice maple. For the CHICKTASTIC Bistro franchise package, the franchise package fee is worth 299,999 pesos only. The basic package includes use of product logo and trade name, use of business system, operating and training manual, training for franchisees and team members, products worth 20,000 pesos, marketing materials, wall mural painting, store layout and perspective plan, wooden tables and chair sets, 3 years contract terms, 10 pieces opening tarpaulin banner, 100 pieces loyalty card, 100 pieces store business card, 2 Sintra board poster with no royalty fees, startup equipment and utensils, 1-piece double deep fryer, 1-piece rice cooker, 1-piece microwave oven, 1-piece 7 cubic chest freezer, 1-piece ice chest, 30 pieces small size red oval plastic food tray, 30 pieces big size red oval plastic food tray, 8 pieces stainless deep plates with cover, 1-piece digital weighing scale, 1-piece cash register with Bluetooth printer, 9 pieces team member uniforms, and 2 pieces franchise uniforms. For the various kitchen cooking wares, 3 pieces cooking tong, 3 pieces strainer big and small, 3 pieces knife big or small, 3 pieces chopping board, 3 pieces kitchen scissor, 5 pieces silicone brush, 5-piece jigger, shaker, stirrer, scooper for milk tea. Note: construction and signages are not included. For the contact details, you may contact CHICKTASTIC Bistro with the address number 1 Aguinaldo Street, Malacañang Village, Barangay San Antonio, Parañaque City, Philippines. You may call their telephone number 0282758854. You can also call their mobile number at 0998-589-4522 and 0977-055-0111. You can send them an email at info@chicktasticgroup.com or chicktasticbistro@gmail.com. You can also visit their website at www.chicktasticgroup.com. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Chicktastic Bistro franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.